In this tutorial video for leading media proDigi, we show you how to set up and use basic data to optimize your digital media planning. In proDigi you can use existing basic data from leading media as well as create your own digital basic data. Basic data that can be obtained from leading media includes customer conditions such as fees, discount agreements and payment conditions, as well as information on suppliers such as customer commissions and advertising fees. Then there is basic data that is only used in proDigi. For example, you can enter an extra logo, your own discount and VAT settings and an extra fee at customer level for digital campaigns in proDigi. To set up basic data in proDigi, go to the Basics menu item and then to proDigi. Select the appropriate category from the menu, such as channels, placements or creative format. Here you have the option of creating new records or editing existing ones. To create a new creative format, click on the empty sheet icon or press F5. Enter a descriptive name and the corresponding specifications for the new creative format, click OK and a new basic data entry is ready. Once you have created your basic data, you can integrate it into your media plan. Open a campaign, go to Positions. In the Creative Format field, the new entry is now available for selection in the drop-down list. Each value can of course also be overwritten manually in the position line. We will show you further practical features such as the Smart Target Value Search or working with technical costs in the next videos.